guys, my name is Cindy and welcome in this tutorial from Tries, where I am going to tell you more about how to find your data in CRM. I would like to refer to a previous video that I made on how to quick find some data in CRM by applying filters in views, or how you can use the categorized search. But in this video I would like to focus on the relevance search, and especially on how you can configure the relevance search in order to use it to the needs of your company. What you also have to keep in mind is that the configuration has to be done by your system administrator. So let's dive into the environment and let me show you how it's done. The relevance search has to be activated first before you can use it, and that can be done in two ways. You can do this by clicking on the gear at the top in the toolbar, go into the settings, there you choose administration and you dive into the system settings. On the tab General, you scroll down and you look for Enable Relevance Search over here, and you click on OK. You also can enable this feature by diving into the Power Platform Admin Center. So let me just open up the website and let me look for my environment. From there you can dive into the settings and open up the product, and there you can find features, and all the way down you can see that it's already enabled because I just did that with the system settings in my environment. Now let's take a look on what the results look like in our environment. You will notice that the magnifying glass has disappeared and the search bar has replaced it. So when I enter a keyword now, you will see that there is more information that appears on my screen compared to the searching by category. But beware, you also need to configure this together with your system administrator, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. I would like to search on the city Leuven, but when I enter the keyword, you will notice that I don't find anything, and that is because it's not configured yet. You can do this by diving into the advanced settings again. You go to customizations and customize the system. So let me maximize this screen for you, and I have to dive into the entities. Now you can see we have a lot of entities and you need to enable it for all the entities you want to search on. So for this case I'm going to dive into accounts, and the relevance search uses the quick find view to search the entity. So let me open up the views and look for the quick find view over here. Let me open up. And on the dialog screen that appears, you can look for Add Find Columns. Okay, and as you will notice, the address city isn't marked, so let me select that one. Let me save it. Let me save and close this one. And then I have to go back to account, and I need to publish this one. So not publish all customizations because that takes a lot of time. Okay. So let's go back to the environment and let me refresh the page. And as you can see, we can find Leuven now in accounts, but only because I set it up for accounts. So if you want to do it for the other tables, you need to go to the steps that I just showed you for every table you want to find the address city. You also can set up which tables to search. So for example, you don't want a marketing list to be searched, so you can do this by diving back into the advanced settings. You open up the customizations and customize the system. There you select entity and look for configure relevance search here in the toolbar. Let me open up, and in this area you can add or remove the tables. So let me remove marketing lists from this area. Press OK. Let me save and close this one and go back to the environment. If I refresh the page, you can see the marketing list is gone from the list. And there you go. And this is how you can configure the Relevance Search and set it up to your business needs. But keep in mind that when you first set it up, it will take some time before all the data gets synchronized. So if you don't find anything right away, like in my movie, it can take some time. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.